Hello everyone. In this tutorial video, we will show you how to retry payment if payment has failed. Log into your dashboard and navigate to Exams. Select the case number under My Exams and go to Options and click View. You will see that the payment status is in pending. Click the Retry button to make the payment again. Select the mode of payment and proceed with the payment. On success, it will redirect back to NPSC portal. That's it. This is how you can retry the payment if your payment has failed. That is all for this tutorial video. Thank you for watching.